What's up, fellas? It's JD with Tennis Power. I'm kicking off a new content series using 360 cam footage, and I'm pretty stoked about this content. I hope this format gives you a full, immersive experience of the trail, so instead of just watching, you can actually look around by moving your screen. Hopefully, the view lets you catch every angle of the action. This footage was shot out at Turkey Bay OHV Park, and this is honestly one of my favorite non-technical trails there. It takes you down through a valley floor, running alongside a creek, and then finishes out at a cove right on the lake. It's a great trail for anyone looking for a low-key ride that's off the beaten path. I've done enough talking. Look around and enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching this Tennis Power video. If you like the content, click subscribe as we post all kinds of new off-road content weekly. From the Tennis Power team, harness in and get after it.